Hello class 2, how are you? I hope you all are fine. So today in our EVS class we will start with chapter number 16, which is places in our neighborhood. Okay, beside our home or house we have our neighbors, isn't it? Our neighborhood. Okay, so today we will learn about them. Places in our neighborhood. The area around our house, okay, is our neighborhood. Many people live in our neighborhood. Okay, they also have their separate house like us. Okay, they are our neighbors. Okay, they are called neighbors. The area around our house is called neighborhood, and the people that they live in the neighborhood are our neighbors. Okay, there are many places in our neighborhood. For example, hospital, park, market, school, post office, police station, railway station, and library. Okay, so these are the places of our neighborhood. Okay, let us find out more about our neighborhood. Alright, need for public places in the locality. All public places are established near people's home, so they can avail the services of these public places whenever they need to without traveling a distance. Okay, so public places in our locality like medical center, okay, isn't it, like grocery shop. All right, when you finished your pencil, yes, you go and buy them, isn't it, near our house. Yes, so these are public places. Okay, they are near our house so that we don't have to travel very far away. Okay, we don't have to go far away. Okay, we can get anything near our house. Okay, first is school. We go to school to learn many things, isn't it, children? Several people work in the school like us. Okay, teachers teach the students. There are many people who are present in the school. All right, apart from you, teachers like us, we teach students to you. Principal takes care of the school. Our principal, she take cares of a school. Yes, so the principal takes care of the school. The cleaner keeps the school neat and tidy, isn't it? The peon rings the bell, like as soon as the period finishes, what they do, they ring the bell. Yes, and the watchman guards the school, like on the near the gate, school gate, isn't it? Now, market. There is a market in our neighborhood. A market has many shops. Okay, we buy things at these shops. We buy cakes and breads at the bakery. Okay, like in bakery we get cakes and bread. We buy clothes at the drapers. Okay, we buy clothes. We buy medicines when we get sick at the chemist. They are called chemist. Okay, people who sell medicines are called chemist. Greengrocers sell vegetables. People who sell vegetables are greengrocers. Okay, we buy grains and pulses. Okay, like gram and dal, and these are from grocers. Okay, from grocery shop, they are called grocers. Okay, the cobbler mends our shoes. Okay, they mend our shoes. All right, the tailor, okay, stitches our clothes. Okay, so here are the few names. All right, people who sell medicines are called chemists. People who sell vegetables are called greengrocers. People who they sell grains and pulses are called grocers. People who mend our shoes are called cobbler, and people who stitches our clothes are called tailor. All right, there are restaurants too in our neighborhood. They serve tasty foods. Sometimes we go there to enjoy eating outside our home, okay, with our family or with our friends. People who help us, okay. So in the market, one will also find service providers like cooking gas suppliers, okay, courier service, okay, to courier things from one place to another, okay, where we don't have to go, all right, to that certain place. All right, our courier service, what they do, they send our things from this place to another. All right, electricians, yes, so they come and check the wires for us. Next is plumbers, okay, they come and check our pipes, the running water pipe. Okay, Next is carpenter, isn't it? They come and mend our what? Furnitures and all right. Next is masons. Masons are people who build our house, okay, when required, whenever they are required. Okay, so these are the people who help us in our day-to-day life. All right, like cooking gas suppliers. When the gas cylinder is finished, what we do, we call them to bring another gas cylinder. They come and give us. Okay, we don't have to go and bring them. All right, so first is cooking gas supplier, courier service, okay, electricians, plumbers, carpenters and masons when required. The cooking gas suppliers or gas agency will send a new gas cylinder when the previous one is finished. Okay, just now I said this, yes. The courier service will deliver our letters and packages faster, and the courier service will also make sure that the letter or packages has reached the correct person. Okay, so the courier service, what they do, they deliver our letters or packages faster, okay, so that we don't have to go. All right, and the courier service will, what they will do, they will also make sure that the letters or packages have been reached correctly to a correct person. Okay, for small repair in the house, we can use the services of electricians. Where there is problem in wires and bulbs and lights in our house, what we do, we call electricians to mend them. Okay, plumbers, okay, for pipes, for running water pipes, okay, carpenter and masons. Next is hospital. There is a hospital in our neighborhood. Okay, there must be a hospital, there should be hospital. All right, a hospital is a place where sick people are treated. Several doctors and nurses work in the hospital. So these people, what they do, they work in the hospital, doctors and nurses. Doctors examines the patient and give treatment, whereas nurses keep a record of instruction given by a doctor. Whatever doctor says to a nurse, he or she will come and provide those information, what we have to do and what we should not have to do. Okay, they take care of the patient. Also, they also take care of us. There is an ambulance in the hospital. It brings serious patient to the hospital. Okay, so what happens when we cannot walk, if we get sick, okay, if we get injured, we cannot walk, isn't it? So what they do, they send the ambulance, okay, where we hop on it and we come to the hospital. Okay, see, this is ambulance. Okay, next is post office. Post office, our neighbors has a post office. We buy postcards, stamps and envelopes at the post office. Okay, what we do, we buy postcards, sometimes stamps and sometimes envelopes at the post office. We send parcels to our friends and relatives through the post office. Okay, not only letters, we can also send parcels. The postman brings our letters. Right, so what do postman do? He or she brings our letters. Okay, next is bank. Bank, there is a bank in our neighborhood. We keep our money in the bank. We also keep our jewelry in the bank. Our money and jewelry are safe in the bank. Okay, they keep our money and jewelry very safely. Okay, we don't have to worry. Okay, this is called bank. Okay, where we deposit our money or withdraw our money. Okay, next is emergency and relief services. Each neighborhood has certain public offices that help maintain law and order and provide help in time of distress. Okay, so there are many emergency and relief services where we can ask for help. Okay, police station, like police station, we have a police station in our neighborhood. Several policemen are on duty in the police station. Okay, in the police station, who will find, we will find police officer. Okay, they keep our neighborhood safe. All right, they protect us from thieves and bad people. A policeman wears a khaki uniform. See, this is the uniform of police. Okay, they protect us from thieves and bad people. All right, whenever we feel we are not safe from certain people, from certain bad people, we can go ahead and complain or lodge FIR to police station. Okay, next is fire station. All right, a fire station is very important for the neighborhood. Okay, there are fire engines and several firemen there. All right, firemen, they are people who work in fire station. Firemen. Okay, the fire engines are used to put out fires. Okay, firemen take fire engine to the place of fire. They put out the fire with the help of water. All right, Next is recreational places in the neighborhood. What is recreational places? Like recreational activities. Okay. So apart from playing, apart from doing work, what we do, there are certain activities that can also indicate that they are a kind of exercise. Okay, those are recreational activities. People indulge in recreational activities for enjoyment and amusement. Okay, they can be enjoyable. It can be amusement, but as well as it gives us exercise. A recreational activity is any activity that a person enjoys. This may be a hobby or a